Love lost. Standing in front of the mirror, hyped up due to thoughts of love roaming in my mind. Not believing in that she's really mine. I remember telling her that I really dig her. Well, guess what? She told me to stop digging, as she is not a mine. Anyways, I don't mean to brag, but her body is a major skew line. Curves in all the right places. I love her and would never trade her for a dime. She's my number one. Well, the rest should follow. A beautiful soul and my shoulder to cry on. But as I deeply stare at my reflection in the mirror, I can feel the lyrics of love play softer and slower in my head. I didn't realize my dimples start to fade. And this was all because real love was lost.